Rich Rising, welcome back to the Hip Hop Hammock. Leave me alone. Can A$AP really leave A$AP Rocky alone? Like, please. This man is adamant about extorting Rocky for some money. Jeez. A$AP Rocky and A$AP Relli aren't done just yet. A$AP Rocky is entangled in a civil lawsuit filed by his former associate A$AP Relli. The legal battle stems from the 2021 incident, that we all know about, that happened in Hollywood, where Relli said or alleged that A$AP Rocky had fired a shot at him during a dispute, and he said that the bullet grazed his hand. Rocky has consistently denied these allegations, asserting that there were no shots fired and the firearm in question was a prop gun. He's been saying that from the beginning. So despite being acquitted of the criminal charges recently, being found not guilty,
the jury in the above entitled action find the defendant, Rakeem Mayers, not guilty.
Hey, wait now. Let me get this straight. You got caught lying on the stand a few times, which is perjury. Okay. You also lied about being at the gun range in LA. And you told the defense that you were at a gun range in New Jersey, not LA. No, they went inside your phone and found video evidence of you at a gun range shooting a 9mm in LA, not New Jersey. That was very important for Rocky's lawyer to go through Relli's phone and find a video of him at the gun range in LA around the time of the incident. Because at the time of the incident, when the cops gathered all of the evidence, they didn't find any shell casings. Why they didn't find any shell casings? Because it was a prop gun, remember? A$AP Relli, who went back to the scene 3 days later, claiming that he found shell casings, 9mm. He took them to the police station himself and turned them in. Those shell casings came from that shooting range. He really went out of his way trying to set this man up. I mean, damn, he really was trying to get Rocky jammed up. You hear me? He really had it out for Rocky. Jeez. And it's a good thing that A$AP Rocky did not take that plea deal, because he would have lost his deal with the Met Gala. I think he sits on the board. And also he have a very important up and coming movie with Denzel. Let's take a listen.
Rocky had a deal on the table. He's playing in a movie with Denzel Washington, produced by Spike Lee. If he would have taken this deal, it probably would have knocked that off the table. He is also on the board or whatever for the Met Gala that will be in May. That would have been off the table as well. And then when you have promotion, you can't just travel with, Rihanna and your kids. That was an issue. But here's the thing. He's facing 21 years, but the government wants 8. Yeah. And the offer, real time, he would have done less than a month.
Now, experts are suggesting that while the criminal acquittal removes the possibility of jail time for Rocky, the civil case could result in a substantial financial penalty if Rocky is found liable. Civil cases have a lower burden of proof, meaning that Relli's legal team doesn't have to establish guilt beyond a reasonable doubt because it's civil. So it's a possibility he could win it. This happened to O.J. Simpson back in the day, after he was acquitted for unaliving of Nicole Brown and Ron Goldman. Cole's family sued O.J. Simpson and they won a judgment against him in civil court. So just because you were found not guilty in criminal court doesn't mean that you cannot be held liable in civil court. Now, throughout these legal proceedings, A$AP Rocky has received public support from his girlfriend and mother of his children, Rihanna. The couple, who share 2 children, were spotted out together at various events, showcasing a united front amidst the ongoing legal challenges that Rocky was facing. Now, A$AP Rocky's attorney was on the Breakfast Club recently, and he talked about the recorded phone calls of A$AP Relli planning to extort Rocky for $30 million, the lies that he told, and suggests that he should be charged with perjury for lying on the stand.
Like, you want them to pursue him for perjury charges?
Yeah, I want them to. They should. I mean, the district attorney's office was and should be embarrassed by this guy. I mean, he absolutely played them like a fiddle. We had a tape, which he first, by the way, a tape of him and one of a mutual friend of Rocky and Relli's, and he said that there was a recording, and when he heard the beginning of the recording, he realized what that was. He was like, "Oh, that's fake."
Go to my archive. You're not going to show me something of my highlights, which is not there. You think you slick?
Stop!
This is. You're not going to keep tripping me up. I'm on
Mr. Efron! Stop! Just stop talking.
This will cause you to go back.
No, you did, because you're sneaky.
Don't be insulting. Stop it. He is not insulting you. Don't insult him. Don't insult any lawyer that's asking you questions. You're not doing yourself any good by doing that.
So as the civil case progresses, both parties are expected to present evidence and testimonies to support their claims. Now, a lot of observers anticipate a contentious legal battle given the high-profile nature of the individuals that are involved. Now, Rocky's lawyer believed that his client will come out victorious once again. He also said that Rocky plans to decline all offers for a settlement, despite ASAP Relli previously asking for $30 million. He said, "We look forward to a full vindication. The plaintiff, which is ASAP Relli, can take a sober assessment of the outcome of this criminal case and change course." Relli, that man said, what you can do is calm your ass down, stay sober, and think about how all this played out and change course. Stop being jealous. Stop being so jealous that the person you started out with ended up surpassing you and bagged a $1 billion girlfriend. Ike needs some help too. Who gonna help Ike?
Trying to help Ike, all right?
Trying to help Ike. You trying to help Ike?
Now, ASAP Relli did release a statement via social media recently. He says, "Gossiping is a form of entertainment for people who have no meaningful goals or purpose in life. Hate me, bring shame to my name, say bad things about me. I don't care. Your existence doesn't add any value in my life." I'll continue to monitor this as it develops and provide you with any update. As for now, the civil trial is scheduled for January the 12th, 2026. Man, oh man, with friends like ASAP Relli, who in the hell need enemies? Damn it, man. What about you? Gots to be more careful. Like, subscribe, hit the bell here. It's your boy J Rod with the Hip Hop Hammock. Peace.